In this video, I'm going to show you how to collect some data for the Speedier lab. Now, first things first, you need to hold your iPad still. So when you're recording the video, if you're doing this, everything's going to be messed up. A little, even like this, it's going to be messed up. So I suggest you find a way to make sure you hold it really still. Also, you don't want to be at an angle like this. You need to be completely, perfectly square with the track, like parallel with the track. So something like this is good. Again, not if you have a little bit of movement, like for instance, a lot of people will try to track it subconsciously. It's going to be messed up and you're going to have to do it again. Okay. You should have it set up, unless your teacher tells you differently, for your car to be moving right, to be going down the track to the right, starting up here. When you record, you're going to record in slow motion. And that's going to be 120 frames per second. And you should write that down because you're going to need to put that into Pivot later. So 120 frames per second. You're going to do this efficiently. You're going to make a recording on every single team member's iPads. And you're going to have some roles. So one person's going to be the person to release the cart from here. One person's going to record. Somebody else is going to check back or here to catch it. And then the fourth person, if you have 4 people, is kind of overseeing everything, making sure the person doing the video isn't recording or is recording and not moving the iPad, making sure the people here aren't standing in front, those kind of things, sort of big picture. When you do this, the person recording is going to hit record, and then after they see it started recording, like, oh, okay, 1 second, 2 seconds, then they're going to tell the person who's letting it go, all right, go. Now I've tested this, but someone else should catch it over there. And then they're going to let it go, okay? And you're going to then do that probably 3 more times with different iPads. Make a new video for every time. Don't just try to share the video, because if that one video is messed up, then they're all messed up, okay? So everyone will have their own kind of unique video. And then once you're done with that, you're going to need to go to Pivot, and if there's questions there, you got to answer those questions, and then I'll give you another tutorial video on how to upload your recording into Pivot.